video is to show you how to find a z-value when you have a known probability. So as you can see on the screen, we have to solve a z-value that separates the top 1% from the rest of the distribution. Top 1% is from the highest point go in, so this part is the 1%. So this is the top 1%. In a different way to look at it is this z-value, this straight line right here, this determines the z-value. This z-value is separating the top 1% from the rest of the distribution. And all the other value that's lower than this particular z-value is going to be 99%. So we are actually looking at the z-value that's the 99th percentile rank. So let's jump into Excel to find this answer. So we have p-value is 0.99, the 99th percentile. We need to find what is the z-value that separates the top 1% from the rest 99%. So we are doing the Excel function norm dot s. So this is standard normal distribution, but regularly we use we have a calculated z. We want to find the probability associated with that. But in this particular problem, it's reversed. We have a known probability, and we're going backwards to find what is that particular z-value associated with that known probability. So, because it's reversed, we are going to do inverse, INV. And in the inverse operation, you just need to put in the probability. So 0.99 is the known probability. Right parentheses, close the operation. Now hit enter. Voila, you have the answer right there. So the z-value that separates the top 1% from the rest of the distribution is 2.33. This figure is from Straightforward Statistics with Excel 2nd edition by Chieh-Chen. I will show you a different example next time. Bye-bye.